So here we will see the referencing part. First is table of content. So in books we see that table of contents were there. So simple command for this is backslash table of contents. Just write this. You can write this after begin document in the first page. So it will create a content of tables. It generally contains a section, subsection, right? And a page along it. So output will be like this one. And there is also another command for index, like to find the keyword. You can see in some books there's an index in the last page. So for this one we have to load index package in the preamble, and then we have to use backslash make index command in the preamble to declare that an index will be used. Okay, and index required a point with keyword using backslash index back curly braces keyword command. For example, if we want to index the word LaTeX with LaTeX, we can use backslash index and then curly braces LaTeX and then backslash LaTeX, so it will be indexed. So index page is not included in table of contents. So if we want to include this in table of content, so we have to use package toc by bind. This generate the index at the end of the document using print index command. We have to use the backslash print index in the last, then only print index page will be printed there. That's it. Next is cross referencing. So sometimes we see that we want to reference, like some theorem is written there, like using theorem 1.2 we can prove this or that. So in that case we can use this cross referencing, though there are three commands: label, ref and page ref. So backslash label unique name, it assigns a unique name to something, and its purpose is to mark a location to refer back to. Second is backslash ref, it displays the number of the labeled item and it creates a reference to the sections, figure or etc. And the next is page ref, that is displays the page number of the labeled item and it refers to which page something is on. So here it is example. This is section A. I have labeled it as sec A. So C section, here I have refer it as sec B on page backslash page ref sec B backslash section B label sec B. So it is the label for section B. I have labeled it here and referred it here. Again this refer to the section ref section A. So here section A, sec A is here labeled, so it will be labeled here, and this is page ref. Let me show you. Yeah, it is copied, and then I will paste it here. See, a section is created A and section is created B. Here I have written C section 2 on page 1. See page ref of sec B, that is page 1. So page 1 is written here. Similarly here page ref, so page 1 is created here, and I have just written here sec B. So sec B, it refers to as section 2. See section 2 ref B, and this refers to section 1 because this section A is the first section. You can see here the first section, and this section B is the second section. So here it is written as section 2, right? So it will refer to the section. For referring section or subsection, we can use uh, backslash ref, and for referring to page, we can use page ref. Now here is the explanation which you can see there. And then next is bibliography and citation. So bibliography is the list of sources that we used while writing a document. So we generally include this in the last page. So for that we can simply use like this: begin, curly braces, the bibliography, and this is the widest label of our bibliography, and then this is our item by backslash bib item, and this is the label of our item in the square bracket. Then this is our key, curly braces, and here author, title, year, etc. we give it, and then we end this with the and the bibliography. Okay, so we can also create this bibliography database using bibtech. So for that what we have to do is this one. So we have to create a database with .bib. So under this we will write at rate entry type keyword field name is equal to field text field name, and then save the file with extension .bib. And then in our main file, instead of writing all references in the end, we will just add this before end document, that is backslash bibliography style, and we'll write here a style, that whatever style we can use, plain or alpha. And then after that backslash bibliography and the name of our file, that is .bib file, if that is tag in my case. Okay, so yeah, these were the styles: plain, unsort, alpha, and APPRB. These are the content which we generally use, like in article, author, title, journal, year; in book, author or edit or title, publisher, year; and miscellaneous we can also use none. If we want to list the references in LaTeX without citing them in the text, we can use no cite asterisk here in the curly braces, so it will use here. Let me show you an example by going into the home page. I have created it already with chapter, it is 8. See, this is my main tag, preamble dot tag. I think I have not created it here, maybe somewhere else in the main file. So this was the code of my book which I created, but it will not run here due to its long size. It will work in VS Code. I have done there. I think I have also not created here any BIB. Oh, I have created here, see, text BIB, tag.bib, that is our file name. Where is my content? I think no content. Maybe I have not created it here. Okay, no problem. Preamble.tech main. I think this is not working. No problem for it. You can just understand that. So that's it from you. Next we'll see beamer, and then after that p asterisk. These two topics are left now.